Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to an Equinox. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and set to discoverable. Next, access the infotainment system in your Equinox. From the main menu, tap on the settings icon. Within the settings, locate and select the Bluetooth option. Then, choose Pair Device to begin the connection process. This prepares your vehicle to find your phone. Once your Equinox starts searching, your phone's name should appear on the vehicle's screen. Tap on your phone's name to select it. A pairing code will then display on both your phone and the Equinox screen. Confirm these codes match. Finally, your phone might ask for permission to access contacts and messages. Grant these permissions for full integration and hands-free use. You are now connected via Bluetooth. For a more integrated experience, you can use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Simply connect your phone to the Equinox's USB port using a certified USB cable. The system should automatically detect your phone and prompt you to enable CarPlay or Android Auto. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. This allows you to use many of your phone's apps, like navigation and music, directly on the vehicle's display. If you encounter any issues, try these troubleshooting tips. First, restart both your phone and the Equinox's infotainment system. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve minor glitches. If that doesn't work, delete any previous phone pairings from both your phone and the vehicle, then attempt to connect again. Also, ensure your phone's operating system is up to date, as older software can sometimes cause compatibility problems. These steps often fix common connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.